we are going to study today. So here, nervous tissue. If we are talking about the nervous tissue, it is the specialized tissue which is made, or you can say which is specialized for receiving stimuli and transmission or conduction of these stimuli, known as electrochemical nerve impulse. Got it? What are these nerve impulse? We will study. And actually, this is the specialized tissue, and this specialized tissue is specially designed for the conduction of stimuli and made up of special cells known as neuron or nerve cell. What it is called? Neuron or nerve cell, you can say. Nerve cells, neuron or nerve cell. This is somewhat a structure of, you can say, a nerve cell, and it might be, or it could be, you can say, 1 meter long. It is the longest cell we have studied in the chapter cell, right? So it is the longest cell and present in the human body. So basically its structure, if we are talking about its structure is divided into basically 2 parts. What are those parts? One is, you can say, cytosol and another is axon. What is it? First one, cytosol. And cytosol consists of, you can say, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus and cytoplasm both consist and form cytosol. Here in the cytosol, you can see in the upper body part, there are branch-like structure known as dendrons, and here the small branches arising from dendrons are known as dendrites. Right? Next, we can see here the lower part. The lower part is known as axon. And these are axon terminal. The detailed structure we are going to study, but have a rough look about it. So we can move further now. You might have seen that whenever it's a hot summer day, you feel hot, right? Whenever you touches an object, a hot or cold object, you take your hand off, right? Whenever you are going through a place, you somewhat smell. Yeah. So where are these signals coming from? The question is, from where does these signals come from, and how do we react to them? So nervous tissue is the tissue which helps in conduction of all these type of signals and help us recognize and to take reaction. So these are, I told you, specialized cells which conduct the stimuli. So here it is the nervous system which helps us to, you can see, recognize whether an object is hot or cold, whether we touch it or not. So if we are talking about the nervous system consists of mainly 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? First one is the brain. Yeah, the brain which guides us for each and every signal, which helps to decide whether we should touch it or not, right? We should do this or not. Thinking, digestion, everything is controlled by the brain only, right? Next is, you can see, spinal cord. Spinal cord is the only way by which brain is connected to whole body. Brain decides what to do or what not to do. But the spinal cord, you can see, spinal cords helps in connecting the body with brains. It regulates and decides necessary action to be carried out. So here the brain gives the message, and here the spinal cord decides how carried out, right? So here we can see in our body, this is the brain which controls whole body, and the spinal cord. Spinal cord is the cord or the medium by which the whole body is controlled by the brain or connected to the brain. Now here these are the, you can see, this is the spinal cord, this is the brain, which are centrally located. Suppose you are touching any object with a hand. So brain is centrally located. Then how you will feel you are touching something hot or cold? How you will feel it? The nerves. These are the nerves which you can say carry the signals and helps those signals to reach out the brain through a spinal cord, and the brain decide whether we should touch the object or not. So in this way our whole body is connected to each other. Like we have studied about the muscles. Muscles help in movement of the body. But those movement, the signal is given by the brain. How we will, you can say, how we will move, or when to move, when not to move, when to stop, what should we do, what should we say, it is all decided by the brain. And those signals are transmitted to each and every body part with the help of nervous system or with the help of nerves, you can see. Got it? So these are the nerves which are interconnected and which are spread all over the body and helps us in, you can say, conduction of stimuli. Got it? So if we touch an object from the hand, the nerves carry the signal to the brain, right? And brain again gives the signal that the object is hot and just remove your hand. Got it? This we will study here. Like suppose this is the brain and it is spinal cord, and it is a hot object. Hot object, you can see the fire is there and water is boiling. So obviously it is hot. So a person touches it, and when person touches it, what happens? The neurons, or you can say the nerves, or you can say nerve fiber, neuron, fiber. Actually, these are interconnected, and here this nerve fiber carries the signal to the brain. Got it? It is carrying the signal to the brain. Next, then a signal reaches to our brain, and our brain decides that the object is hot. So what happens here? The brain gives the signal, and this signal goes to that part, and here this is signal going from the brain to that part. Now here that part at hand, you can say you feel hot. So brain says it is hot, just remove your hand. So the person pull his hand. Got it? So here these are the two types of neurons. The neuron which carry the signal from the body part to the brain. These are known as sensory neurons. What are those? Sensory neurons. And the neurons which carry the signal from the brain to the body part are known as motor neuron. Got it? So these are the two types of neuron. One which carry signal to the brain. We can say to brain, and here away from brain. But these, you can say, nerve, these are the nerve fiber. These are not so long. Actually, these are interconnected. Suppose I am drawing this here. Here it is a single nerve fiber, and it is connected by the small units. These these are the small units by which it is interconnected, and these small units are, you can say, these are the nerves, or you can say nerve cell or neurons. So these neurons are spread all over the body and helps in conduction of stimuli and carries the signal to the brain and away from the brain, and helps us to decide what action should be taken. Got it? And here the spinal cord. Spinal cord helps in, you can say, connection with the brain. It connects all body with the brain and help us to take the necessary action. Got it? So brain decides and spinal cord regulate. Spinal cord regulate the action, you can say. Got it? I think with this it is clear. Now we will study the detailed structure in the next class.